All right, let's dive into something I think is super important. How do you take all of your life experience, your professional know how, and your personal story, and actually turn it into a course that other people can learn from? We're going to break it down.
So just take a second and think about it. All those years of expertise you've built up, that one unique skill you've spent forever perfecting, or maybe a really tough personal journey you navigated. We all have a story inside of us that's worth sharing. The real question is, what are you doing with it?
And I get it, that's where most people get stuck. The very idea of making a course just sounds huge. It feels like this tangled mess of ideas and memories, and figuring out where to even start can feel totally impossible. But what if I told you there's actually a simple blueprint for this?
Well, here's the game plan. We're going to start by talking about your trapped knowledge. Then we'll find the real value in your story. After that, we'll walk through a super practical framework, see how it works with a real world example, and then finally, we'll talk about the incredible impact you can have. Okay, so first things first, let's talk about the main problem. Right now, all of that amazing expertise you have is basically trapped. It's in your head, maybe scribbled in old notebooks, or it comes out in conversations, but it's not structured in a way that someone else can really learn from it. So how do we get it out? Your knowledge isn't some neat and tidy timeline. It's this beautiful, chaotic collection of moments, of trying things, of failing, of having these amazing breakthroughs. Trying to force that into a perfect straight line just doesn't feel right, does it? But here's the thing. What if that mess isn't a problem? What if it's actually your biggest strength? And that right there, that's the huge mindset shift we need to make. Your experience isn't some jumbled liability that needs to be perfectly organized before it's useful. It's a treasure chest that's just waiting to be opened and shared. I mean, this quote really says it all, doesn't it? Everyone carries knowledge worth sharing. Your unique journey, with all of its unexpected twists and turns, is exactly what makes what you know so valuable. So the goal isn't to clean up your story, it's to use it as the very foundation for what you teach. This really puts it all into perspective. When you take the time to structure your story, you're not just making a little course, you're actually building a legacy. You're taking your own personal experience and turning it into this collective asset that can help so many other people grow. So, we've talked a lot about the why. Now let's get into the how. This part is all about the practical, step-by-step path to take that big, messy idea of yours and turn it into a finished, structured course that you can be proud of. And honestly, it all boils down to these 5 totally manageable steps. First, you identify your core story. Then you define the transformation for your learner. What will they be able to do? You break it down into a few modules, sprinkle in some key learning moments, and then package the whole thing as a focused micro course. Simple, right? Let's look at what that package looks like. This is pretty much it. And you'll notice we're not talking about some massive 40-hour university-level class here. It's a micro course. It's focused. You have a clear title, a quick intro to get people started, 3 to 5 main learning modules, and then you wrap it all up. It's an achievable structure that is incredibly effective. Now, that 4th step was about adding learning moments, and this is so important. A great course isn't just a lecture, it's an experience. These are these little opportunities you create to turn someone who's just passively watching into an active participant. And what's so cool is how simple this can be. Look at this. A tool like the reaction wheel lets learners interact without needing to write a whole paragraph. Just by clicking important or maybe unclear, they're actively engaging with what you're saying. And that is an absolute game changer for making things stick. So why do we care so much about this engagement? Well, because it's where the magic of learning actually happens. Active learners remember way more. Asking them to reflect sparks critical thinking. And when those reactions are shared, you start building this amazing sense of community. It makes the whole thing feel alive. Okay, theory is great and all, but let's make this totally real. We're going to walk through a super relatable example so you can see exactly how this framework takes a simple idea and transforms it into a full-on course. So let's meet our expert. She's a teacher. She's been in the classroom for decades. She knows exactly how to get a classroom buzzing with positive energy. But right now, all of that incredible knowledge is just locked up inside her own head. And here it is. This is the big transformation. On the left, you have this kind of vague idea, but on the right, it's a specific, valuable microcourse with a really clear promise. This is that aha moment, when you stop just having knowledge and you start packaging it as a real solution for someone else. And this is what her course could look like.
See how that tangled mess of her experience is now a clear, logical journey for someone else to follow? Each module builds on the last one. It's structured, it's actionable, and for a new teacher, this is unbelievably valuable. So finally, let's talk about the payoff. What happens when you do this? What does creating a course actually unlock for you? Because believe me, it is so much more than just sharing a few facts. Well, for starters, it lets you scale your impact way beyond just one-on-one conversations. You can build this amazing community around something you're passionate about. You can even create totally new streams of revenue from the expertise you already have. And, like we said before, you can turn your hard-won experience into a legacy that lasts. And let's just be real about the money side of things for a second. This isn't about selling out. It's about recognizing that your knowledge has real value. When you structure your experience into a clear learning path, it becomes this powerful asset that solves problems for people, and people will happily value that. And the model for this can be super transparent and fair. A platform like Legacy Collective, for example, gives creators a 60% share of the revenue. That makes the opportunity feel real, and it shows that it's a true partnership, working together to share your knowledge with the world. So we kind of end right back where we started, but hopefully with a totally new perspective now. Your experience, your story, your knowledge, it is valuable, no question. The only question left is, what are you going to do with it? What legacy are you going to build?